Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can apply for Medicare card online in Australia. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to be doing that, it's a very easy method. All you gotta be doing is simply access your browser and then type in services Australia simply. This shall land you on this kind of interface, and now all you gotta do is scroll to the bottom till you find this option of health and disability. Go ahead, tap on that one. It will open up another browser where you should be able to find Medicare as a second option. Tap on it. Now you will find this option, right? So you can see Medicare, how to enroll, what's covered, how to claim, top payments, most useful information, news, etc is information guaranteed over here. You can go through the one. So let's go to the how to enroll. Now you can see enrolling in Medicare is given over here. Enrolling your baby in Medicare. What would you like it to be do that? If would you like to do for the enrolling with the baby, then you can tap on the second one, otherwise tap on the first one. And you can see who can enroll. This will be given the requirements. If you are a citizen of Australia, everything else, what you need to enroll with. So make sure to simply check out all of the requirements accordingly. And enrolling online, you can see you can enroll online in Medicare as either an individual or a family through MyGov and track the progress. You simply have to live in Australia, have a current passport or immigrant card, have valid visa details from the Department of Home Affairs if you're not an Australian citizen. Those are the importance that you need. If you have a MyGov account, sign in and enroll Medicare. If you don't have, you simply have to tap on the sign into MyGov or create one. Then you will be able to create yourself a MyGov account, and from over there you shall be able to create your account and get a Medicare as well. Enrolling with a form is also available at the bottom. Tap on the highlighted text and you shall get the form. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.